Okay, KSAT 2021 crash course. Subject is mathematics. Topic is SATS research person Shekhar K and department mathematics. Okay, before going to the syllabus subject mathematics and chapter wise question, just have to briefly, just have to revise the what are the important dates on the KSAT examination. That is upcoming examination. So in the exam will be start on the means application will be start on the June 15th. So it is application is already started. You can go through and apply in the online. So June is the 15th. You have to remember that. And what is the last date here? You have to remember that last date is July 13th. Means next month up to 13th will be last date. So before or on July 13th, have to apply the KSAT examination. And the last date of the registration, what is that? Registration is July 10, and payment means payment is will be 13th. Have to remember these dates. Better have to apply in the within 1 week. Better it is. And KSAT application correction facility July 19. After applied, you have made any mistake. So I have to one more option that is a correction option. So is there any mistake? You can log in the KSAT application, then have to change. So and your hall ticket, admit card is nothing but the hall ticket. Hall ticket is available on 13th of August, and entrance exam will be 28 and 29. So 28 29 means August full complete month, and July 2 months, and year around it is a 2 months 10 days. It will be there's the time to revise entire syllabus. Next declaration will be not notified, and not to be notified here, this one also. Okay, this one after the examination they will be notified, that one no need to worry. So these are the important dates, have to remember that. Next, so what about that one? KSAT examination pattern will be in the 2021. What are the okay? So each subject, how many questions? 60 question. How to see this one? All the questions are the objective. Means the objective is nothing but the multiple choice question. So biology 60 question, 60 marks, and 80 minutes. 80 minutes means 1 hour 20 minutes. Next, mathematics also similarly, PCMB are the 60 question each subject, and each will be 60 marks. Total is a 240 marks here. Yes, 240 marks, and here timing will be there. So it is an objective based written test. The question paper contain multiple choice question. There is no any descriptive, it is a multiple. And the paper is conducted 80 minutes. So in the 80 minutes have to 80 minutes in the 1 hour 20 minutes means it is out to another 10 minutes they will be have to be present in the class in advance. Okay, each question carries 1 mark only. No negative marks for incorrect answer. There will be marking criteria for Karnataka language. Okay, and one more thing, how to remember that here there is no negative marks means out of 60 questions, if you know only 50 is the exact answer, you can first answer that. Remaining question no need to leave it, how to guess the answer. That is my suggestion. Why? Because in case anyway it is no, there is no negative marks, sometime it will be correct also get the marks. Why not to lose the marks? Better have to attend the all the questions. Don't leave it even one question also. So have to attend all the questions. Will get the, in case the wrong anyway will get the lose the marks, but you won't get the, you will lose the marks. Why? Because there is no negative marks. So my suggestion is better out of 60 first have to honestly have to answer all the question. Whichever question you don't know the answer, leave it. Last half an hour or last 30 minutes, 20 minutes, just have to go through once again those questions. How to, if you don't know answer, also have to guess it. Okay, no need to worry. Okay, now we'll come to the question here. Let A and B be a two sides, then A union B Y dash union A dash intersection B is equal to what? For understanding this problem, better have to draw the Venn diagram. Okay, now to see, yeah, I'm going to draw the Venn diagram. Okay, here A and B, A union B. So these are A side and these are B. Now A union B whole dash means what? These are A union B, this entire set. Okay, these are A and B. This complete. Now union B old dash means what? These are A and B. This complete set. This complete set is nothing but the A union B. Yes, this complete A union B. Now A and B old dash means what? Except A and B remaining part. This remaining part is nothing but what is that? This remaining part is nothing but A union B old dash. Yes. Next, after that, I am going to this one. This is nothing but this shaded region is nothing but A union B old dash. Okay. For in case of getting confusion, I'll make it the color pen. I'll take color pen. So this region, this blue color shaded region, we call it as a union B old dash. Next, A dash intersection B dash. Sorry, A dash intersection B. Now I'll take it this one more diagram and diagram. Here A and here is a B. This is A and here is a B. A dash means what? Yes. Now A dash means nothing but these are A dash intersection B dash. Means all the element of B but not A. This part only. This part. Okay. Now I have to see this one. This except this red mark of the A and B, except this one outside here is a A and B old dash. Okay, union this one. So what will get again? That whole thing is nothing but what? Yes. Anyone can tell the answer. If you want any doubt, you can raise a hand. So A union B old dash means this is a this reason, this outside reason. Okay, and here is a B bought this one. Okay. Okay. Now what is the remaining? And this one, what is the remaining? It is nothing but the A only. Means that is nothing but what? A dash, not A. Means except A dash, remaining part everything is there. X. A1 and B O dash means this part and this part is nothing but what? A dash only. That is only answer it is. Yes. Note down this one. So what is the answer? That is nothing but A dash is a required answer. By seeing the Venn diagram, we will understand that. So in this kind of problem, better how to, my suggestion is always how to draw the Venn diagram. Okay, see the next problem. Let A equal to n comma 2n, where n is a natural number, and B equal to 2n comma 3n, where n is natural number. What is the A intersection B? First, I'll take the A set. What is the A set? First, I'll substitute the n value is 1 here. If we substitute here 1 means what about here? 2. 1 comma 2. Next, we substitute here n value is 2. If we substitute 2 means what about here? 4. Next, if we substitute here 3 means what about here? 6. Here 4 means here 8. Okay. Similarly, what is the set B? If you substitute here 1. If you substitute here 1 means what about here? 3. Next, if you substitute here 2. If you substitute 2 means what about here? 4. Here substitute means 6. Similarly, if you substitute here 3 means what? 6. And what about here? If you substitute 3 means here 9. Next, if you substitute here 4 means 8. Here 4 means 12. Okay. Now try to understand this one. Is there any common part? Here in the A, first element is a double of the second element. What about here? There is no relation between the A and B. There is no any common thing. Therefore, A intersection B is nothing but empty set. So option D is the right answer. Yes, option D is the right answer. Please note down. Okay, move to the next slide. Okay, see the next problem. 90 students take mathematics. Okay, number of students in the study in the mathematics, they will take that as a 90 students. Okay, 72 takes science in a class of 120 students. So n of science, they will take the how many students? 72. In a class means 72 science and remaining is a maths. Whatever this one you can write. Number of students in mathematics union science is nothing but 120. If 10 neither take mathematics nor science, they won't take mathematics and even science also. Mathematics they won't take means m dash intersection s dash. Okay, that is nothing but 10 it is. Then the number of students take both the subject. Then the number of students take both the subject means what about this one? So here 120 you can't assume the in the class means you can assume that is a union. Why? Because the number of students take both subject means n of m union s is question mark. Now this one to consider the union. So that is n of universal set it is. So what is the value? 120. Now I have to find this question, this one. Okay. Now I have to see this one. We have the one property n m union s equal to what is the formula? N of m plus n of s minus n of m dash intersection s dash. Not dash, it is only union. It is now. Okay. Now we have property. What about this one? Here, this one more condition here. This can be written as number of m union s whole dash equal to 10. Can I write? Yes. You can add this one also. Now, if you write this one means, okay, what about this one? Again, this can be written as, use this formula to remember that while solving the problem is required, the same problem. Now, okay, this one, n of m union s whole dash equal to 10. This one is written as according to the De Morgan's law. Now, this can be written as n of u minus n of m union s is equal to what? 10. Okay. Now, what is the n of u as it is? Minus n of, this can be written as m plus n of s minus n of m intersection s is equal to what? 10 as it is. Now, what about this one? This value they given 120 minus only mathematics 90 plus number of science is 72. And what about the intersection? Yes, what is the intersection they given? Both the subject, take the both the subject. Oh, again, I did mistake here. Just a minute. I have to take the this is the intersection only. This one they are given. Otherwise, not get this is the intersection. It is both the subject means you can take intersection. You are not mentioned that. Okay. Now both the section means this one is intersection. N of m intersection s have to keep it as it is. Equal to what? 10. Now to simplify this one, 120 minus. So what about this one? 90 plus 72. 162. Is it right? Ninety plus 72. What is the value? 162. Yes, minus 162 minus plus n of m intersection s is 10. Okay. Now n of m intersection s equal to 10 and minus 120 plus 162. So n of m intersection s. So what would this one? 172 minus 120. So what is the value? It will be 52. So required option is A. Option A is the required answer. Please note down. Okay, move to the next slide. See the next problem. A set A has 3 elements and another set B has 6 elements. Then which of the option is matching? Now n of A is 3 element. Next, n of b is 6 element. Then which of the option matching? Now we have the formula n of a union b equal to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. Now n of a union b. What is n of a value? 3. And similarly n of b value 6. Now n of a intersection b value they are not given. They are not given means if you take a intersection b means maximum value will be, what is the maximum common element is possible? Maximum will be 3. So maximum will be n of a intersection b. Maximum will be maximum of a comma b. Means in the which side is the maximum, that is the maximum value. What is that? 3 elements. Yes. Now n of a intersection b equal to maximum is, sorry, the minimum is common value. So you can take the minimum of a and b. Now what about this one? When it is empty set is always 0. That is, what is that? There is no common element. It is a empty set means a and b are disjoint set. Okay. Now we'll consider that a and b is a minimum. It will be 3 elements. For example, here also 3, here also 6 means maximum common element will be 3. Then a union b. What is the value? It will be 6. Next, there is a case one. If, for example, what is the second case? N of a union b equal to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. Now this is a n of a union b as it is. These are 3 and these are 6. Now in this case, I have to assume the empty set. There is no common element. In the first case, we consider 3 element. What about in the second one? There is no common. So now try it on the empty set is nothing but 0 it is. So what about the value? 9. N of a union b. Okay. Now how to say what is the error 9 and error 6 means n of a union b, it will be lies between 6 and 9. Where is the 6 and 9? So n value 6 and 9 means how to write on the third one is the required answer. Yes. Okay, please note down. I'm moving to the next slide. Now to see if a is x comma y such that x square plus y square equal to 25 and b equal to x comma y such that x square plus 9y square equal to 144, then a intersection b contains. Now a, they given the equation is x square plus y square equal to 25, and the b they have given that x square plus 9y square equal to 144. Now x square plus y square equal to 25. If you go into solve in the normal method means it will take more time. Better have to draw the rough graph, then we'll get the common points, because we want the a intersection b common points. Now a and b, how many points will be there? Common. Yes. Now this one, this b equation, complete equation will be divided by 144. So x square divided by 144, and here y square, here 144 and here 9 equal to 1. So the complete equation are divided by 144. Why I am multiplying 144? We'll get the standard equation, that is the ellipse. Yes. Now to see this one. So this can be written as x square, 12 square means 144 you can write as it is. Here y square, here 9 1 time 9, 16 times. So 16 is equal to 1. Again, this can be written as, what about this one? X square by 12 square you can write. Y square by 4 square means, okay, write down 4 square equal to 1. Okay, now I'll draw the rough figure. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will continuation that. Here also -1, -2, -3, -4 up to 12. It is a 144 means. Okay, you can take 12 here also minus 12. Okay. Now what is the B value here? 4 it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So year to year. So there's a ellipse. This is the equation of the ellipse. Okay. Next, what about the x square plus y square equal to 25 is nothing but the circle. This can be written as x square plus y square equal to 25 can be written as 5 square. 5 square means here is a 5. Here is a minus 5. So what is the circle here? So we'll get the rough figure this one. So here the circle it is. Okay. Now how many common points for the these two equation? Here one point A1. Okay. X, Y, Z, and what about this one? Otherwise can take the PQRS. So it is a point P, Q, R, S. So how many points is the common points? Total 4 points are the common. So what is the conclusion here? 4 points. Yes, A and B. In the A equation, nothing but the circle, and B equation, nothing but the ellipse. Both, if you draw in the graph, you'll get the 4 points is a common. Otherwise, if you have to go and solve that, that is also will get the answer. Okay, please note down. Okay, move to the next slide. See the next problem. In a class of 55 students, the number of students studying in different subjects are 23 in mathematics, 24 in physics, 19 in chemistry, 12 in mathematics and physics, 9 in mathematics and chemistry, 7 in physics and chemistry, 4 in all the 3 subjects. Then the number of students who have taken exactly one subject. Okay. And one more thing, these are all of the options is wrong options. Actually, answer is will get the 22, I think. Okay. Now to see this one, I will be drawing the Venn diagram instead of solving. If you solve, it will take time. So better, I will be drawing the Venn diagram. So first one is in a class 55 students. The number of students studying in different subjects are 23 in mathematics. So this one write as a maths, physics, chemistry. I'll come in the reverse. 4 in all the 3 subjects. 4 means I'll write this one. Why I'm writing 4 means it will be belongs to maths, physics, and chemistry. These are 4. Okay. Next, 7 in physics and chemistry. Physics and chemistry means here is 7. 7 means here 4 is already there. What is the remaining? 3. Next, 9 in mathematics and chemistry. 9 in mathematics and chemistry means maths and chemistry. 9 in mathematics and chemistry means here is there. 9 means already here 5 is there. What is the remaining? 5. Next, 12 in mathematics and physics. 12 in maths and physics means what about here? 8. Yes, total 12 means 4 plus 8 is 12. Now I can come in that. There are 23 in mathematics. 23 in mathematics means what about here? Here 23 means what about this one? You can write 23 means already minus 8, minus 4, minus 5. What is this value? 24 minus 8 minus 4 minus 5. What is the answer? 7. So remaining is 7 here. This part, try to understand this part. This part is nothing but the only mathematics. Similarly, 24 in physics. 24 in physics means what about here? This is a maths it is. So what is the value? It will be 7. And next is physics. Physics is what is that? 24 it is. 24 minus 8 minus 4 minus 3. So 24 minus 8 minus 4 minus 3. What is the value? 9. Yes. Next, chemistry. What is the chemistry? 19 total. 19 out of 19, 4 included, have to delete that one. 5 also included, delete that one. 3 also included, that one have to delete. So what about this one? So remaining is 8. Okay, now these are physics is 9, these are 8. So only exactly one subject. One subject is okay. Exactly one subject means this only maths means these are maths only 7. We can't consider this one. Why? Because we consider 8 means that 8 is a maths and physics both. But I want only maths means only 7 plus only physics means what? 9. Only physics, sorry, chemistry means what? 8. Yes. Okay, I have to add this one, everything. What will get answer? So 7 plus 9 plus 8. So what is the value? It will be 24. Yes. So it is not 22, it is a 24. Answer is 24 and the option D, have to make it, the 24. Okay, thank you. Next. Okay, move to the next slide. See the next problem. Sin theta minus cos theta equal to root 2 cos theta. Here P value given that sin theta minus cos theta equal to root 2 cos theta. This is the P value. What is the Q value? Q equal to sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 2 sin theta. Okay. Now these are the, what is that? P and Q both are equal or not equal, or subset or not subset, and both are subset, or how to verify this one. Now this one write as, see here, sin theta equal to, you'll write as sin theta, otherwise sin theta equal to, what about this one? Root 2 cos theta. This minus cos theta will come, this one is plus cos theta. Okay. Now sin theta equal to, what about this one? I'll take cos theta is common outside. What is the remaining? Root 2 plus 1. Now write as cos, I'll take in the denominator, that is tan theta. Tan theta equal to root 2 plus 1. What about here? Here I'll write as cos theta as it is. If I write cos theta as it is means, what about here? Root 2 sin theta minus sin theta. Now here cos theta as it is. Here we'll take the sin theta is common. What about this one? Root 2 minus 1. Now cos by cos theta as it is. Sin theta, if you take in the denominator, it becomes tan theta. Tan theta equal to root 2 minus 1. Now here tan theta we got root 2 plus 1. Here tan theta we got the, sorry, it is not tan, it is cot theta. Here cos is there, sin will come in the denominator. Means cos by sin. So nothing but cot theta. Cot theta equal to root 2 minus 1. But here cot, here tan value is root 2 plus 1, here cot. Both are equal or not? Okay, how to make it this one equal means this one write as tan can, cot can be written as tan theta. Tan means 1 by 2 root minus 1. Now do the rationalization here. Root 2 plus 1. Here also root 2 plus 1. Now root 2 plus 1 divided by, what about this one? Root 2 whole square minus 1 square. So root 2 plus 1. Here square and square would get cancelled. 2 minus 1. So this implies root 2 plus 1 divided by 1 is nothing but root 2 only. Root 2 plus 1. Now this one and this one you got same answer both. So P value and Q value got the both values same. Therefore, what is the conclusion? P implies, so P equal to Q. So these are required answer. Please note down. Okay, move to the next slide. See the next slide. At a certain conference of 100 people, there are 29 women and 23 Indian men. Of these Indian people, 4 are doctors and 24 are either men or doctors. There are no foreign doctors. How many foreigners and women doctors are attending the conference? Okay, first they given data. I have to write on that. First, we'll write the data. Means that is the data I'll write in the Venn diagram. So here in the certain concept means Indian and foreigners are there. Is it right? Women. Okay, and of these are the foreigners. Now I'll make it Indian and foreigners. This a first part is Indian and these are foreigners. Okay. Next, there are 29 Indian women. Okay. Now I'll make it again. Here 29 are women. And whatever the next one is, 23 are the Indian men. Here 23 are the Indian men. It is a men it is. Okay. So total how many persons are there? 100. Out of 100, 23 are Indians. Yes. And 29. So whatever the foreigners will get that one total. Foreigners equal to 100 minus 23 plus 29. What is the value? Yes. 23 plus 29. So 52. So 52 means is 48. So how many foreigners are there? 48 are the 40 here is there. Total 48 members are there in the foreigners. Okay. Next. Of these Indian people, 4 are doctors. Okay. Out of Indian people, they are not mentioned the men or women. So both together 4 are the what? It is a this one. It is a people that one. Okay. And after that 24 either men doctors. 24 means here 23 is here. What is the remaining? Only one person. That one person are the men and 3 persons are the women. It is. Yes. So 1 persons are the 4 persons are there men. 1 person is the men and the remaining 3 persons are the women. Now what is the conclusion here? Only this much only here 1 and here 48. Now how many foreigners and women doctors are attending in the conference? How many foreigners means how many foreigners are there? 48. Which of the option is matching? First option and 1 doctor, woman doctor. Yes. Okay, please note done. Anybody have any doubt? Just have to raise a hand. I'm giving a chance here to talk to here. Okay, move to the next slide. Let X and Y be 2 non-empty sets such that X intersection A equal to Y intersection A is equal to empty set and X union A is equal to Y union A for some non-empty set A. Then which of the option is matching? So now I have to see this one. Now X and Y be 2 non-empty set. They given that X intersection A equal to Y intersection A equal to empty set. And one more condition. What is the one more condition? X union A equal to Y union A. Both are equal. Then which of the option is matching? Now one set here X and Y are 2 non-empty set are 2 non-empty sets. Yes. Okay. Now in these two, I will go into intersection. I always get the empty set means what? Here A is there is no any common element in the X and even there is no any common element in the Y. That's why you got the empty set. So what is the conclusion? Their union also will be equal. Okay. So A is not related to any value of the X and here also A is not related to any value of this one. Now both if you take the union means whatever the conclusion Here x and y is very clearly it is equal set. What is the conclusion here? X is very clearly equal sets. Then only this property is exist. So now write down that option C is the right answer. By saying the question only you can answer. Okay, move to the next question. See the next problem. Let A and B are two sets in the universal set U. Then which of the is correct? Okay, which of the set is correct or not? Okay, now to see. Now A minus B equal to A dash minus B dash. A minus B means what? Now if you want you can draw the Venn diagram to understand better understanding. First I'll just check the first option. A, this is a set A and this is a set B. A minus B means what? All the element of A but not in B means these are A minus B. These are A minus B. This part only. This part is A minus B. Yes, only this part. Next, A dash means not a element of A and not a element of B. Then what is a not element of A, not element of B? These are the equal. So first option is very clearly wrong. In case still you're getting confusion, now I'll take that. Let X is belongs to A minus B. Now X is belongs to A minus B means what is the conclusion here? X is belongs to A, but X is does not belongs to B. Yes, X is belongs to A but not belongs to B. That is the A minus B condition. A minus B means what? All the elements of the set A but not in B. Now this one is equal to what? Now X is belongs to A minus B means this implies A dash minus B dash. Now X is also belongs to A. X is belongs to A dash, but X is does not belongs to B dash. Yes, but here X is belongs to B. This one are equal. Here X is does not belongs to B, but here is belongs to B. So first option is wrong. Yes. Similarly, what about this one? A minus B. A minus means this part. This part again have to deleting this part. Is nothing but what? Empty set. Yes. Here A minus B. A minus B means this is a part. In this part, we are going to delete again this part only means in the A complete. Means this is a A. This complete set is a A. This is a complete set that is a A. In this part, I'm going to delete the A minus B. What about this one? This is a set A. Okay. I'm going to see this. I'll show that and I'll use a color pen. Okay. This is a A. This complete set. This complete set is A. Okay. And what about this part? Only this part is A minus B. This part, if you delete means what will get? A intersection B. Yes. So what is the answer is option second one is the right answer. Got it? If you can take this one in the set A minus B in complete A, we are deleting A minus B this part only. Then what will get? A intersection B this part. So option second one is the right. But the question is there is or maybe one answer or more than one answer will be right. But in the case that don't worry, you will not get the more than one option question. By mistake, it will came this question here. Now A minus B all dash. A minus B means okay, this one also is wrong. A minus B means only this part. A dash means except this part and this part means again we'll get the A intersection B. Yes. Next A and B means what they given in the fourth option. A minus B means this part and B minus A this part. This is a B minus A. We can write B minus A or B intersection A dash. Both are same. Don't get confused. Okay. Now again intersection. Okay. This one option. Fourth one also right answer. Can take. Fourth one also right. So what is the required answer here? Option B and option D are the right answers. Okay. Please note down. I move to the next slide. See the next problem. In a town, 10,000 families. It was found that 40% families buy newspaper A, 20% families buy a newspaper B, and 10% families buy a newspaper C. 5% family buy A and B, 3% B and C, 4% buy A and C. If 2% family buy all the newspaper, then. So now to check the one by one option. Okay, now number of, it was found that 40% families buy a newspaper A. Here A is 40%. 40% means nothing but what? 40 by 100 out of 10,000. Okay, this 0, this 2 0 get cancelled. Whatever this one? Yes, 40%, is it right? Okay, this one get cancelled. Whatever this one? 4,000 families. Yes, 40% is. Okay, now 4,000 this one. Next, n of b. N of b means what? Here, better I'll be draw it in the Venn diagram. This one. Here A and here B, here C. A is 40% and B is 20% and 10% in the this would C. 5% A and B, 3% in B and C, 4% A and C, 2% family buy all the newspaper. Here 2%. Okay. Next, what about that? 5% A and B. 5% A and B means here 2% is there. What about here? 3%. Next, 3% B and C. 3% means here already, or 2% means here 1%. Next, what about that? 4% A and C. 4% A and C means here 2%. Okay. Now, what is the year? Years 40% means already is included here. 3 plus 2 plus means it is what total is 4 means 9%. 9% means what is the remaining here? 31% here. Is it right? 31 or 33? Yes, 33% here. A is 33% and 20% family buys newspaper B. Here 3%, 2%, here 1%. Total what is that? 6%. Is it right? 6% means what is the remaining here? 14%. B remaining. And what about the C? 10% family C. It is C means 2%, 2%, 4 plus 5 means remaining 5%. Okay. Now have to check the all the value. N of A, only A. You can write only A. Only A. Only A means what is that? 33%. 33% can be written as 33 divided by 100 out of 10,000. So 10,000 means this 0, these 2 0 get cancelled. 3300. So first option, what is that? 3,300 families buy a newspaper A only is right answer. What about that? Only B. Only B is what is that here? 14%. So 14 by 100 into 10,000. You'll get the 1,400. So option B also right. So what about the next one? 4,000 families buy none of A, B, C. Means it is not buying A, it is not being B, it is not being C also. Yes. So what about this one? It is not buying anything means what about this one? Common value have to find out. Yes. Now this came written as total is ABC. How many percent? ABC 30, 40 plus total. N of A plus n of B minus n of C. Otherwise, you can write this one can be written as none of ABC. So A intersection B intersection C. This one I have to write down. So what is the A value? 40%. This complete. What is the A? This A is a 40%. Yes. Otherwise, you want in the notation, you can write like this one also fine. N of A plus N of B plus N of C. So this all these things. Now here 3% is repeated how many time? Here N of A means 3 is included. N of B means 3% is included. So how many time is it is 3% is total 2 times. So I have to delete 1 time. 3%, 2% and 1%. Okay. Minus 2% is adding to the A, even B and C. Total how many times? 3 times. Out of 3 times I have to delete 2 times because 1 time is required that. 2 of 2%. Okay. Now N of A is total is 40%. 40% plus 20% plus 10% minus 3%, 2%, 1% minus 22, 4%. Now I have to subtract this one. So this is nothing but 70%. Okay. 70 minus what was one? 3 minus 2 minus 1, total 6. 6 minus 4 means 10%. So minus 10% I have to subtract. So it's nothing but the 60% remaining. Yes, 60 or 40%. Yes, 60%. So 60% is the A union B, it is common, it is. None of this means remaining is what? Remaining is what? The remaining is a 40%. Now, A dash intersection B dash intersection C dash means that is why we taken that. Okay. Now, whatever is the 40% of this one means into 100, sorry, divided by 100 into 10,000. So, here this zero will get cancelled. Whatever this one? 4,000. So, option C also correct. So, all the options correct means whatever the answer is, answer D is the right answer. Option D. So, required answer is option D is the right answer. Please note down. Here A dash intersection B dash intersection C dash is nothing but the what is the condition for that one? It is buying everything. Not buying means you can take the reverse it is. Okay, move to the next slide. Next, N of U equal to 700, N of A equal to 200, N of B equal to 300, N of A intersection B equal to 100. Then I have to find the N of A dash intersection B dash. Okay. Here N of A dash intersection B dash. This can be written as N of A union B O dash by using the De Morgos. Now this can be written as N of U minus N of A union B. Okay. Next N of U equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Now what is the N of U value? They given the union is 700 minus what is the N of A value? 200. N of B value is 300 minus what is the intersection? 100. Now 700 minus 200 plus 300 means 5. 500 minus 100 means 400. So what is the answer? 300. Option C is the right answer. Please note down. Okay, move to the next slide. Okay. Now n of A equal to 1000. N of B is 500. N of A intersection B is greater than or equal to 1. Then what is the conclusion after find out that which of the option matching? Now n of A union B means what is your P value is nothing but the union A union B. What is A union B? N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection P. Here case 1 you can write. So this is nothing but the P. N of A value what is that? 1000 plus 500. N of A intersection B. Here what is the minimum value? It will be minimum value will be 1. Okay. N of A intersection B. What is the minimum value? Minimum value is 1. Yes, it will be starting from 1 because it is greater than or equal to 1 means what? Maybe 1, 2, 3 up to whatever that. Okay. Now P equal to 1000 plus 500 means 1500 minus 1 means 1499. Case 2. N of A union B equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B is nothing but the P. Here 1000 plus 500 minus what is the N of A intersection B? Here B value is 500 and A value is 1000. What is the common value is possible maximum in the A containing 1000 element, B containing 500 element? Then what is the maximum common element is possible? 500. So you can write on this one is a 500. So this one get cancelled. What is the value? 100. Sorry, 1000. So here 1000 and 490 lies between P values lies between 1000 to 1499. Which of the option? Option last one, that is D option. Please note down. Okay, move to the next slide. If A is a set of all the set of the divisor of the number 15. Okay, now write on the set of the divisor A. Okay, if A is a set of all the divisor of 15. Okay, what are the divisors of the 15? 1 it will be divided 3, 5, yes, then 15. These are the number. Is there any other number is dividing? No, completely 1, 3, 5, 15. B is a set of the prime number smaller than 10. Smaller than 10 means what are the prime number? 2, 3, 5, 7. These are the prime number. Prime number means the given number it will be divided itself except 1. 1 is divided itself only. That's why. Next, what is the C? C is a set of even number smaller than 9. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes. Then A union B intersection. What is the A union B? Sorry, A union C, not B, A union C. A union C, what is the A union C? 1. Sorry, it will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 15. Next, A union C. This one is intersection B. This whole value compare with the B. What are the common element? 2. Next 3. Next 5. That's it. So answer is 2, 3, 5. So option C is the right answer. Please note down. Okay, move to the next slide. The value of A union B union C intersection A intersection B dash intersection C dash, O dash, intersection C dash. Now to see this one. So to understand this one, how to draw the Venn diagram one by one. So these are A, B, C. A union B union C means this complete set. This complete. This one A union B union C. These are A union B union C. Yes. Next intersection. Okay. A here is there. Intersection B dash intersection C dash. Here A this one is okay. A minus B minus C, that is nothing but means except this part. Okay. These are A intersection B should not be there. Intersection C dash also not be there. Then O dash means except this part. So this part, this is A and this is a B and this is C. This part. Okay. Now except this part means remaining outside part also. Okay, these are A intersection B dash or B complement, intersection C complement, all complement. Okay. Next, intersection C dash. This is A and this is a B and this is a C. Here C dash means what? C dash means these are C only. Yes. This only C it is. Otherwise you can take complete C. These are C it is. Okay. C dash means except this part. Except this part means these are part remaining. Yes. Except C. This is a part. Whichever the shaded reason, that is our answer. How to try to understand this one. Now these are C dash. Now these are intersection here. Here also intersection. These all the three figure. What is the common by seeing? Yes. Now to see. Now here A, B, C. Here B and C. So in these two sets is matching. Here also these two sets is matching. Again, what about here? Yes. They're matching with what? B only, but not A. Yes. It only B means what? B intersection C dash. Yes. B is included, but not C is. Yes. So whatever the answer is, option A is the required answer. By seeing the figure only, you can conclude that one. What is the answer? B, but not containing C. We are not bothering about the A. Yes. How it is the B means I'm going to show that what is the common point. See. Here, this part is there in the figure 1. Yes. In the figure, this part is there. Is it right? This blue color. Here also B is there. Yes. Otherwise, just a minute. I'm going to show clear picture. Oh, shit. Okay, by mistake, I erased everything. I'm going to try just a minute. This is a A, this is a B, and this is a C. So complete area you can write. So these are A union B union C. Next here intersection. Here also have to put the intersection sign. Here A intersection B dash intersection C dash. Only this part. Okay, only this part. Remaining part O dash there. So this part only can write. Okay. Not only this one, even outside area also, because they given the dash means outside also. So this is nothing but the A intersection B dash intersection C dash whole dash. Okay, intersection. This is A and this is a B and this is a C. Okay, here C dash. C dash means except this part. Except this part means what is the remaining? This part. Okay. In this, all the three figures, what is the common area? Now I'll show that. What is the common area? So now to see this one, this area is there. This red shaded part. This part is there. Here also is there. And here also. So this area is common for all the three figures. Yes. This all the common area means whatever this one, by seeing this one only can write B intersection C dash. This is the first option only is matching. So answer A is the right answer. Just have to draw the figure. By seeing the figure only, you'll come to know that Venn diagram. Okay, move to the next slide. Let A, B, C be finite sets. Suppose n of A is 10, n of B is 15, n of C is 20, n of A intersection B is 8, n of B intersection C is 9. Then the possible value of A union B union C. So n of A union B union C. What is the possible format is n of A, n of B minus plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of A intersection C minus n of A intersection, sorry, B intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Okay. Now, what is the n of A value? They given that 10 plus 15 plus 20 minus A intersection B. What is the value? A intersection B 8 and B intersection C minus 9 plus, sorry, not a plus, it is minus n of A intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Okay. Now, you have to add everything. What will get this answer? 10 plus 15 is 25. 25 plus 20 means 45. Yes. 45 minus 17. So 28 will get. Yes. These are 28 minus, I'll take common. I'll take common means n of A intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Okay, this one have to give the equation number 1. Now in this one, A union B union C. Okay. Now this one means which is a maximal is possible, these two sets only. Yes. So n, okay, it is a, we can take a minus is common, it is minus here. N of A intersection B intersection C is less than or equal to n of A intersection B. Okay. Now this one we can take that one. It is n of A intersection B minus n of A intersection B intersection C is greater than or equal to 0. Means this value it will be start 0. In case this value consider 0 means what is the answer? It will be 28. Yes, n of A union B union C. That is one possible case. 27. Now, if we take the A intersection B, what is the A intersection B value here? A intersection B value means what is the A and B? What is the common value is possible? Maximum is 5 minus A, B, C 10, 15, sorry, A intersection B is what is the maximum? It will be 10. It is not this one. Okay, A intersection B. What is the A intersection B? Maximum value is possible. Maximum common value will be 10 minus A, B, C. What is that again? It is a 10. That is only I wrote here. Okay. Next. What about this one after this one? Okay, next how to say this one? Okay, now A1 and B is less than or equal to 18. What about the next one is? Now to consider the B intersection C. B intersection or other which can take the union C. B union C. N of B plus N of C minus N of B intersection C. So what is the B union C? B union C they given. B union C we don't know how to keep it as it is. What is the N of B value? 15. What is the N of C? N of C is 20. And what is the B intersection C? 9. So N of B union C equal to what is this one? 35 minus 9. So 26. Okay. Now it is 26 means this one. What about this can be written as what? Now we'll take the union. N of A union B union C is obviously always greater than equal to N of B union C. So these are 28. Yes, maximal will be 28 if you consider this one. What about this one you got? Means N of A union B union C. What is the this value got? 26. So you got the one value is greater less than, sorry. Okay, it is a greater than or equal to 28 or 26. One more value. So 26, 28 means one more value is 27 is possible. So option D is the right answer. Okay, next I move to the next slide. See the next one. Two finite sets have M and N elements. The number of subset of the first set is 1 means 112 more than the set of the second set. The value of M and N are respectively. Now A and B are the two sets. Okay, first set it will be M element and second set will be N element. So 2 to the power M equal to 2 to the power N plus we can write 12. Okay. Now this can be written as 2 to the power M minus 2 to the power N equal to 112. Now 112 can be factorized. Factorize means 2 5 is 10, remaining is 1. So it is a 12 means 2 6. So next is 2, 2 2 is what is the remaining? 1. So it is a 16. What is the remaining is 2 is next 2 1 2 4. Next 2 7. So whatever is coming as 2 to the power 4 into 7. Now I'll write as this one can be written as 2 to the power n. I'll take common. 2 to the power n. I'll take common means whatever the value is this one? 2 to the power m divided by 2 to the power n minus 1 equal to 112. Next 2 to the power n, here 2 to the power m minus n minus 1. This can be written as 2 to the power 4, and 7 can be written as 8 minus 1. Now 2 to the power n, 2 to the power m minus n minus 1, 2 to the power 4. This can be written as 2 to the power of 3 minus 1. Now in place of 2, base is same, can write equal to that. So n value is 4. N value is 4 means m minus n equal to 3. M value we don't know. Minus what is n value? 4 equal to 3. Then m equal to 7. So m and n are respectively. M value what is that? 7, 4. Option B is the right answer. Please note down. Last 2 questions there. I hope you can solve yourself. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.